Good morning students. Today we do an activity of class 6th, chapter number 5, combustion and flame. Activity number is 5.7 and the aim of our activity is to prove that the innermost zone of a candle flame has unburnt wax. Material required for this activity is glass slide, tongue, candle and matchstick. Now I light up the candle. Take a glass slide and put it in the candle flame for at least 10 seconds. The innermost zone in the candle flame appears black as it lacks oxygen and no combustion takes place here. It contains unburned wax paper and carbon particles which deposit on the glass slab and it appears as a black in color. Thank you. Have a nice day.